One of our most popular door seals, V-Seal from TightHouse, which covers the whole perimeter of a door. We've actually got some amazing acoustic testing results done by the CSIRO. It is now complemented with B-Seal by TightHouse. It's available in white and grey. So this is a very rubbery material. It manages to get a really nice seal to carpet or tiled floors or floorboard floors. It's got two little fins that get you that connection to the floor and get yourself an airtight below door. All right, so we're just gonna go through the process of installing this now. You wanna make sure it's touching the carpet once it's in its closed state. The B-Seal, as well as the very popular V-Seal, all available on tighthouse.com.au in grey and white.